So I found the ultimate faceless YouTube channel AI tool that helps you create stunning, amazing faceless YouTube videos from the comfort of your home without having to be an expert video editor. So if you want to start making money on YouTube from the comfort of your home without ever showing your face, then this video is definitely for you. And all you have to do is to please come closer and let's dive in. So to get started, the first thing you need to do is to come over to your browser and visit verbal.wondershare.com. And it's going to open like this. And the next thing you're going to do is to go ahead and download this to your device. So the next thing you want to do is to just click on download for free. And then once it downloads, the next thing you're going to do is to go ahead and install it on your device, whether you're using your mobile phone or you're using your computer. Anyone is totally fine, the same process. So once you're done with that, the next thing you're going to do is to fire up your platform, which is Wondershare Vivo. So now that it has opened, before I go ahead and show you the magic that this thing creates, let me quickly walk you through some of the things that you can do with this platform. Trust me, it's amazing. Now, you can use this to write scripts because, I mean, we are all tired of using ChatGPT to write scripts for our videos, especially when you're doing the African folktale. So you can use this platform to write scripts for your videos, for your stories, anything that you want to do. You can always use this AI script to script your stories or your videos, right? And then the next one is talking photos. Now, I'm going to be doing a separate tutorial on this. So let me know in the comment section if you want me to show you how to use this talking photo to create amazing African folktale videos. Now, there's a lot of people that keep messaging me and leaving a comment that they want a way to animate their African folktale videos. Now, this is one tool that you can use to do that. And not only that, you can use it to do a whole lot more things that I'm going to be showing you how to use in this video. And then AI montage maker, if you want to make montages for your YouTube channel, your business, outros, intros, and all of that, this is what you're going to be using that for. And then URL to video, this one, it's fantastic. If you're running a business and you want someone that will say things about your business, about your products, this URL to video is amazing. And all you have to do is to just take a link from your shop or any shop whatsoever and place it here, and it's going to come up with an amazing video for you. Now, to show you how this works, all I have to do is to just click on URL to video, and then here you're going to paste in the URL that you want the AI to create a video for. Now, all you have to do is to just paste the link here and click on analyze URL, and it's going to analyze the URL and generate a video specifically for that URL. But let's go ahead and try out a sample URL to show you exactly how this works. So all I have to do is to just click on try a sample, and here it's going to give us a sample URL that we can use. And then the next thing you're going to do is to click on analyze URL, and it's going to go ahead and analyze the URL, break it down, bring in the pictures from the URL and everything that you need. You can choose to do 16:9 if you want it like a full landscape resolution, but if you want a portrait video, you can go ahead and select 9:16. And then here is the duration. You can choose whatever duration that you want, but for the purpose of this tutorial, let me just go ahead and choose 15. And the amazing thing about this platform is that you have access to so many languages. As you can see here, you have Hindi, you have Filipino, you have Indonesian, you have Irish, you have Italian, you have Japanese, you have Javanese, a whole lot of languages here that you can use to promote your business or promote other people's business and get paid for it. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to just go ahead and select English. And then for the video type, we're going to go ahead and select AI avatar and voiceover. You don't want only AI voiceover. We want AI avatar and voiceover. So I'm just going to go ahead and select this. And then the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on generate a video, and it's going to go ahead and generate the video for us in 2 minutes. Now, how cool is this? And now you can see that it generated the video for us. And the good thing is that it generated three versions for us: number 1, number 2, and number 3. So you can go ahead and flip through to see whichever one that you prefer, whichever one that you want to use for your video, right? So I'm going to be showing you a lot of use cases that you can use this platform to do. It's just so amazing, right? So here, I'm just going to go ahead and play this back so they can have a feel of how it looks.
This dress isn't just clothing. It's a ticket to your most fashionable self. Make your memorable moments count with our captivating one-shoulder beauty.
So now that is amazing, you can flip through and check any of them that you want that looks good for you. And then once you're done with that, you're going to then click on export video, and the video will be exported to your device and you're good to go. Now, how cool is this? So now you can see that the video is now available for download, and the next thing I'm going to do is to just click on download here, and it's going to download straight to my device. Now, there's something I need to point out for you. There's something amazing that I need to point out for you. When you click on this video, you can see that the AI avatars in this product can be used for commercial purposes. That is monetizable. You can use it on YouTube. You can use it to make money online. You can use it to do anything that you want to use it for, and you're not going to be having any type of copyright issues. How cool is this? So now that we have gotten this out of the way, let me show you how you can use this to create amazing videos for your YouTube channel and start making a lot of money on YouTube. And to do that, all you have to do is to come over to home, and you're going to see a lot of avatars here. You have me, you have favorites, you have fixed background, you have female, you have male, you have marketing, you have news, you have educational, and so many more. You can just go ahead and choose whichever one you want to work with, and you're good to go. It depends on the type of video that you want to create. If you want to create an explainer video or educational video, or whichever one that you want to use is totally fine. Let's go ahead and click on education to find something that we can use for our educational video. Now, all these avatars looks very cool, and one thing I love about this platform is that they give you the opportunity to even create your own avatar with your face, but you just have to pay a little fee, and it's going to create an avatar for you with your face. So here you can see there's a lot of avatars that you can use here, and they are all amazing and monetizable. That is, if you use them on your videos, you're not going to have any copyright issue whatsoever. So now that we have that out of the way, what we're going to do next is just randomly click on any avatar here. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on create video, and it's giving you two options, the landscape and the portrait mode. Okay, the portrait mode, that is the Instagram reel, Facebook reels, shorts, and so on, right? But we're going to be clicking landscape mode because we want to create a YouTube channel video, right? Now that it has opened, the next thing we're going to do is to go ahead and choose the background that you want to use. But let's say you chose this avatar and you don't like the avatar again. What you can do is to come over here, and we're going to just pick any avatar that you want here. You can just randomly pick any other avatar that you might want here, right? So whichever one that you choose is totally fine. It's up to you, but they are all amazing and monetizable, right? So here we're going to click on background. Now you can use any type of background that you want, but if you want to use a background of your own, maybe you want to have your own background and you want to consistently use that, you can always choose a green screen and then remove the green screen while editing, right? But if you don't want to stress yourself with editing, you just want to just generate the video here and start uploading it on YouTube, then you don't have to use a green screen background. You can just use any background that you can see here. They are all amazing. So you can choose by category. Okay, there's lifestyle, there's simple, there's festival, there's e-commerce, there's business, there's 3D. So if you click on 3D, you're going to see a lot of 3D background, and if you click on lifestyle, you're going to see a lot of lifestyle background depending on the type of video that you're making and what you want to achieve with it. But whichever one, it's totally fine and it's monetizable, like I will always say. But for the purpose of this tutorial, let's go ahead and select this background. Okay, let's go ahead and click on this background, and you can see how amazing it looks already. So what we're going to do next is that we're going to go ahead and generate the script that we're going to be using for our video, and we're going to go ahead and paste this here. So now we've pasted the script for our video and we have our amazing avatar ready. The next thing you might want to do is to scan through the voiceover, the voices that you're going to use, the voices that you want to use. So I'm going to go ahead and choose English, USA, Ava, okay? Gentle, soft-spoken, and all of that, but you can just go ahead and choose whatever that you want. You can choose the language, and you can choose the gender as well as the scenes and features. No matter how you want it, this platform is just amazing. It gives you anything you want, however you want it. So now I'm just going to go ahead and select English and click on OK. And now that we have selected that, the next thing we're going to do is we can choose to turn on the subtitle or not. I always love to turn it off, so I'm just going to go ahead and turn it off. So now that we have the script and we have selected the voiceover that we're going to be using, and we have our favorite avatar that we want to use, the next thing we want to do is to just go ahead and preview this to see if it matches what you want to use it for. So now that we have confirmed that the voice is okay and everything, the punctuations, everything is okay, the next thing we're going to do is to go ahead and click on export to export the video to our device, and then we can play it back and see all the animations and everything that comes with it. All right, so now you can see that it's done exporting and it's available for us to download it to our device. But first, let's go ahead and preview it and see how it looks.
Welcome to 7-Figure Boss Academy, the ultimate hub where you learn how to make money online from the comfort of your own home. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or aiming to become your own boss, we've got the proven strategies to help you create a 7-figure income. Here, you'll find exclusive tips, expert interviews, and step-by-step guides to lead you to financial freedom. So, don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button and join the 7-Figure Boss community, where the only limit is your ambition. Subscribe now and start your journey to 7 figures today.
How cool is this? This is so amazing. So you no longer have to create content yourself. You can have multiple channels, and all you need to do is to just generate your script and put it here. I still have a lot of use cases for this. Let me know also in the comment section if you want me to show you more ways you can use this for your African Folktale channel. If you have one, I believe you're going to benefit a whole lot more from this tool. So now that we have confirmed that the video is this good, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on download video to download this video to my device, and all I have to do next is to click on save, and voila, it's downloading to my device. Now, how cool is this? Now, to get access to this platform, I'm going to be leaving the link in the description. So go ahead and try out this Wondershare Vivo to start growing your Faceless YouTube channel and start making money from the comfort of your home. And if you're wondering which niche to start, or if you're confused on which niche you're going to go into that is going to be profitable with this, then I'll recommend that you go watch this video next to learn everything you need to know about the niches available and how you can use this platform with those niches to start making money from YouTube from the comfort of your home. So go ahead and watch it now and thank me later. See you on the other side. Ciao.